Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This isn't CGI or AI. This is a real car company that is trying to make flying cars. People are so excited to buy this car that this company has already received over $1 billion in pre-sales.
Oh! Yeah, this is NYPD, open up! Over here we have NYPD, open up!
She had to learn the hard way how buying things with money works.
Why are you crying?
I want to eat my money.
But do you want to buy the book? Do you want to buy the book? Okay.
Come back.
No, your money's not going to come back. It's gone forever. You spent it.
He was trying to do donuts on this little airport vehicle. I feel like this carnival game was poorly planned out.
Going to Disney World!
Disney World!
Papa, where are you going?
Papa, where are you going? To hell.
Someone got jealous that this video wasn't about them. This lumber company was about to cut this wood when they found an anteater inside. If you couldn't find any bread at the store, this guy is the reason why.
Это все хлеб. Там еще телега хлеба.
These people decided to have a motorcycle-themed wedding. I have so many questions about this video.
Birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you.
He saw that this cat was about to fall from this building. This cat thought that this guy was his mom. I have no idea why they didn't decide to just keep driving over the tracks. I think we found out who the main character is.
Oh, you're not gonna get me.
Poor little guy forgot that he doesn't have a leg anymore. She really thought she caught a big one.
That is a big fishy.
It's a huge fish. Like 80 kilos.
This poor guy was trying to set up a maze. Everyone at this festival stopped to see if she would make it down this muddy hill.
Holy mackerel!
These super weird clouds were spotted in Finland.
Hello, buddy.
I had no idea that making cotton candy could be this crazy. How is it possible to be this bad at throwing a frisbee? So I guess tea and toast trick shots are a thing. This guy is famous for dressing up as a camera, going to events, and taking pictures of everyone. There's a cliffside in China that's famous for looking like a sleeping dog. Someone got a kite for their boat to stop birds from landing on it.
Yeah, he's got a bird scare. It's a kite that flies on its own. Hasn't stopped the birds from all over his boat though.
Her spidey senses were tingling. She gave him a mirror to see how he would react. This dog decided to invent his own game. That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.